Hey, what's good? It's Tuesday and first run of the week. Pero hindi ko alam what kind of runs to do this week. So I guess I'll default to the old plan. Nakapag-report na ako kay coach after nung 5K time trials. And I wasn't given any new advice. So, yun, hindi ko pa alam how to proceed. Anyway, medyo masakit yung legs ko kasi last week hindi ako weight training sa legs. Tapos kahapon nag-resume ako. So medyo masakit siya.
Pero pag ganitong masakit yung legs ko galing sa buhat, parang mas willing siya tumakbo. Ramdam ko yung sakit pero parang mas active siya. So in this run, I did 14 kilometers at 6:32 average pace and average heart rate of 127 BPM. Mag-soul searching muna ako what to run and how to run. Yun lang, video na yun.